I could consider as the best time of my life. I have learned so much creative things, and I especially get to know about the reality and the hard work of acting. How it is difficult to do. He does not teach us only acting, a body language, how to say things, how to communicate. He accepts us as it is. Doesn't matter that you don't have that skill. He makes us believe in us. He gives us that faith which many of us are lying. And no one is perfect. He makes us believe us that. And that misconception of perfection, that was gone, and he just makes us believe that without being perfect, we can be perfect. And perfection is for none. And he teaches us really, really, really good things that can't be described. And I'm really grateful. Everything! People! He goes to the deepest core of everything. He understands so well. Right? It was hard to believe someone is understanding so much and then teaching. It's really